But before we start today's video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell notification icon, and like, share, and comment to this video.
Hi everybody, today I want to show you this brand new hair clippers that I just got. It comes in this box and it has all these attachments. There's more than 18 attachments and they're all great. I'm going to show you what they look like and how you attach them and how easy it is to use. First, when you first open the box, this is how they come, but there is a little surprise underneath. They are more attachments. There is a base, I'll show you at the end, and then there's more clipper size. There is a little hairbrush to clean the tools and the charger, and obviously the instructions with all the attachments are included. One of the things that I like about this one is, let me go back. So I have another one of these, and it only has the little green lights to show whether it's charged, half charged, or already empty. Now on this one, when you turn it on, it gives you a number and it's telling you what the charge level and how long you used it. It has two different speeds. That's one, and then there's the faster one. And it has a trimmer. It already comes with a trimmer. And you put the attachments on it, fairly easy. That's it. You can use it for your hair, for your beard. There are different sizes. And here you have this one. I believe it's for hair. It's more like a brush, but again, it has different grooves so you can have different length of what you want. It has a hair and nose trimmer, and you just attach it here. And this is like the design trimmer. It's a little bit smaller like that, and so you can do closer designs. And it has an up close shaver, so that if you want to shave, these are the grooves for the shaver. And again, it has the base where you can put it right there like that, and then all the attachments will go right here like this, and you can attach it like that. So pretty cool. So I'm just gonna use it a little bit to try it out and see how it is. I'm only gonna trim a little bit. I do like a little bit of a beard, so I'm not going to completely shave. I am going to clean the edge, and I'm gonna just shave the trimmer, or use one of the trimmers just to make it a little bit shorter. You can use it for hair. I'm letting mine grow, so it's not going to, I'm not gonna show my hair, but it's really nice, really comfortable, small. I like the 2 speeds, so I'm gonna try it right now. So I'm gonna try with this size first and see how it goes. I think I go to a little smaller one. Something that I forgot to say is that they are waterproof, so it's easy to wash and everything else, whether you want to shave in the shower or just want to rinse it afterwards. I'm going to try a smaller one. So again, really good. Let's see how I switch. So to take it out really easy, you just pull it out, put the trimmer on. There you go. Very easy to clip in and out. And then you just pull it out and pull again that one that you want. That easy. So I like it a lot. Very convenient. A lot of attachments. Again, it tells me the time that it has left on the battery, so I'm not really surprised or guessing. And again, very ergonomic and very convenient. So I hope that you guys like it and find it as useful as I am.